Don't miss next season when the Nature Channel presents The Female Robin Hood.
I'm the female Robin Hood! What? Again? Who are you?
The Nature Channel even has children's programming, like Donald the Explorer.
Howdy, this is Bear Grylls here, and I don't know where I'm going. What should I use to know where I'm going? My phone with advanced GPS technology? No. Should I use my map? I should use my map. Oh, it's upside down. Howdy, map. Where do I go? Uh-huh. Okay. I'll go that way.
Don't miss next season when the Nature Channel presents Archer Bailey Connor as the girl from Brave.
Go for it.
I'm the girl from Brave!
Don't miss the extreme drama of the next episode of Extreme Farming, where Bailey gets upset at baby carrots for not being adult carrots.
Hi, I love growing hot, healthy vegetables. I don't have a garden though, but carrots and produce need lots of water, so I found a new source. Let's go check it out. Hey look, I think I've got something. Let's hoe it down. Carrots! Oh my gosh, what are these? I was growing adult carrots and these are baby carrots. That's not right. And look at this, they're expired. These aren't worth anything. Stupid baby carrots. I was growing adult carrots. That's not fair. I'll give up on this.
And now here's a preview of the Nature Channel original movie, Animal Cops, starring Phil Henderson. Phil Henderson and Wally the Walrus star in Animal Cops. Don't miss the drama.
Police on the ground! Come on in, partner. What were you thinking? The captain's gonna have bumper badges what we did to that guy.
Don't miss the intensity.
No!
Don't miss the criminalness.
Tyler.
Hey, officer.
Officer. I'm a sergeant.
Excuse me.
Well, we can make this really easy on yourself. In fact, I know the judge, and he can get you off with just probation.
I'm still not sure what I'm getting off from.
Well, we know where you buried those gerbils. We know you buried those gerbils somewhere. We know you did. All I need to know is where those gerbils are buried.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think you do. But that's okay. I have a partner here who will definitely get out of it.
Try your best.
He may look a little harmless, but he packs a punch.
Whatever.
Who are you? What is this? What's going on here?
Oh!
right, man. I'm a lawyer. Anyone hear me out there? Oh, what? Come on, man. What is this? What are you doing? Fine. I'll talk. Okay? I'll talk. Don't.
And here's a video of Bailey shooting Tyler again.
Now it's time for worship with Ryan.
Yay, worship!